Prepping your outdoor plants for winter. Does your area get low temps in the winter? If so, there are some things you can do to help them survive. First, let's talk about watering. You should water deeply before the first hard freeze. This is especially important for new plants and evergreens. Next comes mulching. You should add a few inches of mulch after the first hard frost. When adding the mulch, be sure to keep it away from the stems. You're probably wondering about pruning. It is best to skip heavy fall pruning. Be sure to remove only dead or damaged growth. What about protecting plants that are in the ground? You should cover tender plants on freezing nights. Use frost cloth or sheets to carefully cover plants. Last, what should you do with your plants that are in containers? Be sure to move your containers to sheltered areas. You can overwinter your non-hardy plants in the garage. In closing, a little winter prep now helps your plants thrive when spring arrives. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to see more videos about plants. Happy gardening!